the cylinder. You remember the video? We can extend, we can remove the pin, and we can extend the legs depending on the line of the liner. Not all the marine engines have the possibility to remove the liner. Now we are going to start with the wrench. Alright, be careful with the O-rings.
Oh.
You see the liner? When you order the kit, you receive the O-rings, the new one. Depending on the manufacturer, there are 2 O-rings in the bottom, 1 on top, depending on the manufacturer. Those are the O-rings. You need to clean the area properly, clean the groove. Before you replace the liner, what is the procedure? Verify what? The length, the bore, this is important. What happens if this one is the new one is thinner? The liner is and produce cavitation and destroys the liner.